What's up guys, welcome back again to my channel and to my kitchen. So today I'm gonna show you how to make some very nice crispy and delicious fish. So if you're interested in the video, stick around guys. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, also share the video if you enjoy the recipe, and yeah, tell others about my recipes. Let's get cooking. So here I have my nicely washed fish. Now if you want to add some slits you can, but normally I don't do so when I'm frying my fish. So I'm gonna add some seasoning, but make sure when you wash your fish guys, you wash it nicely and then you pat dry it, alright? Because if the fish is wet then it's not going to fry properly, and you know while it's frying you're going to have a lot of water splashing. Alright, so now not really the water but the oil. Yeah, so because the water and the oil mix together, so it will splash. Alright, so I added some black pepper. Now I'm gonna add some all-purpose seasoning. Now it is your choice to add any seasoning you want to add, or if you want to just add salt and pepper you can as well. So this will give them a nice mix, and then anything you do to one side I'm going to do it to the other side. Alright, now I'm not gonna be adding any salt. I'm just going to add the all-purpose seasoning and the black pepper. Alright, so that's just my choice. You know, my all-purpose seasoning have salt already, so you don't necessarily have to add any salt, but if you like some salt then go ahead. Alright guys, you could also add all the ingredients to a bowl and then you add it to your fish, but I like to do it this way, but that's just me. Alright, especially with the black pepper, I love to see the black pepper flakes on my fish. Alright, so guys, the same seasoning that I used to add on the outer part of the fish, I'm gonna also add inside of the fish. Alright, so I'm gonna add some all-purpose seasoning and the black pepper. You don't want to forget that part. Alright guys, you want inside of the fish to have flavor as well. Alright, so I'm just gonna do the rest and then I'll show you the next step. So here I have a frying pan, so I'm gonna add some oil. Now of course you add the oil to your liking. Alright, so I'm using vegetable oil. You can always use the oil of your choice. Alright, so to the oil I'm gonna add some garlic cloves, and then I'm gonna let the oil become hot. Alright, you don't want it too hot, but at the same time you want the oil to be relatively hot, so you fry your fish very nicely. Alright, so when your garlic become golden brown on each side, then I'm gonna remove it and I'm gonna let the oil become hot enough where you can fry the fish and it will not stick. Well, this type of pot is a non-stick, so it won't burn the fish or not gonna make it stick, but every type of pot is different. So if yours is not non-stick, just use a wooden spoon, place it into the oil, and once it starts frying the wooden spoon, then the oil is hot enough. Alright, so I just add in the fish, and don't throw down the fish in the pot guys. Alright, okay, you don't want it to flash on you. So when one side finish frying, maybe about 6 minutes or so on one side, I'm gonna use 2 utensils to turn it over. Alright, so I don't like my fish to break, so I like to do it this way. Alright guys, alright, so because you want your fish to fry crispy golden brown to the core, you have to ensure you fry it long enough on one side. Alright, so maybe like 5-6 minutes on one side, then I turn it over and fry it on the next side. Alright, I fry mine on a high flame, but you still have to watch it. Alright, the lower the flame, the oil going to become, the temperature of the oil going to drop. Alright, so that can cause your fish not to fry properly as well. So once you finish frying, just drain the excess oil by placing them on a wire rack. Alright, I place them on a wire rack because if you put them on a paper towel, then them all become saggy. So because the oil temperature did not drop, I'm gonna add the rest of the fish. Alright, so you just gently place the fish into the oil and let them fry. So the fish, they are nicely fried, guys, they were so light and fried to the core. The more you fry your fish, the lighter and crispier it will become. Alright, so remember, don't place your fish on any paper towel. You want to let it stay on the wire rack so they can be crispy to the core. Right, the paper towel are going to absorb the oil, but at the same time we're gonna make it saggy, and we don't want that. Alright, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Any question you like to ask, just comment down below and I'm here to deliver. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.